When you're writing emails for school or for work, another thing that you want to avoid is using Textspeak. Because we spend so much of our time writing text messages these days, and that's so much a part of our communication style, we often slip into that and forget that we have shifted to a different medium when we're writing emails, and we continue to use those habits that we have developed and that style that we use in our Textspeak. So Textspeak is those abbreviations that we often use when we are writing text messages, when we're trying to write as quickly and short messages. So we use, again, we use abbreviations. We use letters instead of numbers. We might use the letter 2, the numeral 2, instead of the word to, T-O. We might use the letter U when we mean the word Y-O-U. And so we just take these shortcuts that are fine for text messages. That's casual conversation, very informal communication. But in email, that's inappropriate to use that. The use of emojis is another part of Textspeak that is inappropriate when we're writing emails. And so, although, it's fine to use these elements when we're doing text messages, it is not fine to use them in emails. Another aspect of Textspeak is the lack of capitalization. That a lot of times we don't capitalize words. We don't want to go to the trouble of hitting the shift key to capitalize. And so it's just a lazy kind of communication, which is fine for texting, but it is not fine for emails. And so we want to get in the habit of double checking ourselves, thinking differently about our approach to writing when we are writing for school, writing to our teachers, or we're writing in the workplace. That Textspeak is inappropriate and should never be used.